Hey everyone, I'm going to my place at sea in Umag again, and I'm not going to continue building my solar and wind power plant. That's a hybrid power plant, because I have to finish some other stuff before that. But the next time I go down there, I will continue. And it's already morning, and it's just because I still did not buy a filter for the aquarium for my turtles, because this old filter just broke down. That's already 2 months ago, and I have to change water every 2 or 3 days. So now I change the water. I'll be gone for a week, so when I get back it will be very dirty water again, and I'll have to change it again before I'll do anything when I get back. Okay, this is it for now. I'm your Captain Futchel, and I see you when I get down there. Of course, you are welcome to comment and subscribe, and hopefully you are also going to like this video and all the videos I'm going to do this time. Okay, I see you when I get to Umag. Alright, as you can see, I have arrived to my vacation resort. It's still an ongoing project, but I have arrived. I have some more things to do. To sam puštao. Ja jesam tu. Anyway, fuck. Yeah. I have arrived to my vacation resort, as you can see, and I'm going to do just, well, nothing special actually, but you'll see. But first thing I'm going to do is change the chain on my chainsaw. I bought a brand new one, finally. But before that, I need to get changed myself into work clothes, and of course unload everything. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay, it's time to unload, right? Right. Let's do this thing. Okay, I can unload everything. Now I'll have a smoke. I deserve it. Then I'll change the chain on my chainsaw. Okay? Okay, I know it's okay. And then I can start working. I see you then. Okay, it's time to change the chain on this chainsaw so that I will be able to use it tomorrow. I'm not gonna do today what I plan to do today, because today I'm going to move this one. You see? This one. I'm going to move it over there where this hole is, just simply because, well, I crashed into it too many times before, so it's about time to move it. And this is just became the priority, to move it. I have to dig it out first, but okay, I'll move it there. And if you're wondering why did I put it here in the first place, well, it was just simply because I had no idea where exactly it's going to be in the end. So I just put it here in the middle, Because if I would leave it laying around somewhere, it would just simply disappear. Somebody would took it. This is inox, you know, so this is expensive stuff. Yeah. I'll move it there, but first I'm gonna change the chain on this chainsaw. Okay, let's do this. I think it's done. Okay, now let's dig this one out. I knew I'm gonna need this. I just did. And of course a shovel. I can't do anything without the shovel. Do I need anything else? No. I'm looking for another gloves. I brought it here this time. A brand new gloves. Oh, I just found it. Because those are going to be better. You see how fast I lose my equipment and gear, tools and everything. I lost everything. Okay, now let's dig it out. You see why? And there is a concrete underneath, but I'll deal with it. Yeah, it's out. Ooh, it's heavy, but it's out. Now let's clean it up a little bit. I think that will do. Yeah, that'll do. I need to clean the hole also, because well, I'm gonna pour concrete inside, so I need the hole clean. I believe that will do. Now let's see if it goes inside. Okay, I made some wrong measurements. This hole is on the wrong place. It needs to get a little bit to the west. But I'll take care of it. this door to where this hole I just created. That's perfect. Prepare to put it inside the concrete. Okay, I managed to push a piece of steel all the way in and also into the ground, and now I have to prepare to pour in the concrete. But before I do that, I'll prepare something else also, because I will do something else also. And when I will mix the concrete, I will have way too much concrete for just this thing. So I'm going to dig a trench here and here, all the way across, because I'm going to put more of those sorry about that. I'm going to put more of those cubes all the way to here. So I need to dig a trench. Wow. I did not get any sleep since I got from work. I prepared everything and I came here. So I'm already awake for 32 hours. So it's hard for me even to talk, to speak, whatever. Okay, let's dig a trench. I need a break. I need a break before I do anything. Okay, I know this is not the way how to do this, of course, but I forgot to buy a glue for ceramic. So if I make a concrete block, and then how can I put those tiles on? I forgot to buy a glue. And I already dig the trench, so I can't go out and get glue. So I'm improvising, and I believe this will be fine. It will hold, I hope.
Liam! Muito stil?
Ah,
Stil!
zo slim man.
Prava GoPro!
7K.
Isto nova! Mira معلبة شلون؟
Bro. I believe this will be fine. Okay, I ran out of battery earlier and I didn't even notice. But okay, this is about finished. I just need to put those small stones on top and that's it. And I'm going to put some other stones in the corners. No, actually, I am not going to put any stones on. I'll let it dry, and tomorrow I'll get glue and I'll put those on top. It will be even better. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. It will be better, much better. In the morning I'll do that. Then I'll cut what I have to cut. This is why I brought a chainsaw with me. Okay, so this is it for today. And this is how it looks now. I believe this will be fine. Okay, it's morning and it's time to continue with my work. So let's get ready and start working again. Okay, this is how it's going to be look like when I put the first one on, and the second one I'll have to cut it a hole. Cool. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, I need to mix more glue. Okay, so be it. Okay, this one is done, but for the other one I'll need to buy more glue. A 5 kilo bag went just for this part. But it doesn't matter. I'll get more glue tomorrow and I'll do the other half of this block. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look what came out of this. And then I'm going to get and buy more glue to finish the stuff over there. Yeah. Now let's see what came out of this thing. Okay, this is it. I believe this will be fine. It looks okay. Yeah. I only need to vary it from the sides. But that's it. But otherwise, this is fine, right? Well, I think it is. And it's almost straight. Almost. More or less it is straight, but yeah. Here is a little bit a corner, but who cares? Cool. Now let's get more glue and finish the other part of yesterday's project. Okay, now let's finish this generator. Okay, that'll do. Now let's get some glue and put all this thing together. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, everything's done. Everything is done. And this is how it looks like. Huh? It looks cool, right? Okay. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, I now just have to clean up everything. Store all the gear and tools and everything. And tomorrow I'll do something else. So until then, I am your Captain Furcho. And probably you already know the drill. Comment if you want to. Like it, it would be nice. And if you're new on this channel, my vlog, whatever, well, you're more than welcome to subscribe, okay? Okay. Now I really have to pack up everything. The sun is already coming down. And that's it for now. Captain Furcho, out. Yeah, I dig this hole because I'm trying to move this one over there. Whatever. Captain Furcho is out.